Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Christmas Miracles Artza Box. Now, if I get this posted today, you have till the 17th, December 17th, so 5 more days to place an order for delivery for Christmas. These make great Christmas presents. We gave this to my brother and his family last year, and they loved it. They have a bunch of different stuff in here from different artisans from around Israel, stuff that would appeal to younger kids and the older generation as well. So let's dig in and see what is in this Christmas Miracles box. So they always give some nice paperwork about the area. Usually it's one area that they're focusing on. But this month they have a bunch of different places. So they have paperwork on the artists that are included and just some information on Hebrew words that you can learn and whatnot. So they're just showing here some pictures of, I believe, Jerusalem, when there is snow, which is not something that you normally think of. So yeah, there's just a bunch of different pictures and information. I love this photo right here. So beautiful. They also have a little thank you note in there as well. But this is what I really like. I love seeing the different artists. And these are your little postcards and recipe card and your artist cards. So let's look at these. So you have these postcards that you can use and just, post on a board if you're a homeschool family, or you can send them to different people. A lot of times this will be blank. This time it is not. It's talking about the garden tomb and how it was discovered in 1833. But you can still deliver it to someone, and that would be a fun little card to get. You can make a little letter around the area, but it's just a fun way to spread Artza to someone else. What I love is these recipe cards. Last quarter they had this amazing soup, and they always include a part of the recipe in the box, or that's what I've seen recently. So these are crinkle carob cookies, and it has the ingredients that you need and also the instructions. These look delicious. They look very similar to my husband's favorite cookie, so that might be fun to try. But here are your kind of artist cards. This is your overview card, your Christmas journey. And it's just showing where different things are from in Israel, the carob syrup. There's just a ton of stuff. So I'm not going to go over this because we're going to talk about it in a couple minutes, all the stuff that's in the box. So anyways, always good information. And then you have your artist cards. So these are going to speak on the different artists that are included in the box. And then this is Guess a City, a Holy Land Christmas. Just guessing them. Let's see. I guess they are giving the information. Do you know what? Sorry, I'm just looking at where they're giving the information on the answers. Did you get them all right? Take a picture and tag us on Instagram. So yeah, so fun little game kind of thing. But these are your artist cards. I love reading about their backstory. So usually they have a little bit about their story and what they create normally and what they've created for the box on the back side as well. So those are a special touch that Artza Box includes. You just put these all back. And then let's jump into the goodies of the box. So this month it's always packed full, but this is really packed this month. First off, we have Fenster's Toffee, handmade with their lavender toffee. I've never heard of that before, but I'm excited to try it. So there's all the facts on the back. I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm not sure if I want to open it. There we go. Okay. So these are individually wrapped little toffee pieces. That's nice. Extra toffee. Then we have this beautiful thing. So this is olive wood. It is so smooth. I just love how they create different things in olive wood. So you have a little nativity scene. You can hang it. It is pretty heavy though. So I would kind of just think of placing it on a shelf flat. That's kind of what more I would do with it. But it does have a string so you can hang it as well. Let's see. Go with this next. This is Israeli Winter Nights Herbal Tea Blend. This is really a lot of tea. I'm excited about this. It has dried hyssop, dried sage, dried, I don't even know, Micromeria fruticosa, sorry. But I'm really excited to try this. I'm definitely more so of a tea person than coffee, so this is exciting. It says, close your eyes and inhale the sweet aroma. Picture yourself sitting in the shade of a palm tree. In Israel 2,000 years ago, you're drinking the same blend of herbs the Israelites would have enjoyed in the ancient period of the Bible. So this is a cool little extra goodie, or not extra, but it's a fun little gift that will be enjoyed throughout the whole family. This is Israel Candle, Sea of Galilee and Tiberias. And it's a beeswax candle. Definitely smells like it. I got a little sneak peek before. But it is the topography of the area. I'll try to get it out. So you have your little wick right here. And this is the topography of that land. Really kind of cool. You can see from the bottom. Very cool candle. And it smells beautiful. I absolutely love it. Yes, it says our Sea of Galilee candles are made using topography. Oh, I can't even talk. Sorry. It is early morning. But from the topography of the area, the data from radar imaging by satellites. The height was scaled to enhance the details. Our hope is that it fills everyone who sees it with appreciation and love for the land of Israel and its unique topography. Okay, so there's that. Sorry, topographical. I knew I could say that. It's too early in the morning to do this. Here is this carob syrup. That is what you need to create these crinkle carob cookies. It is carob fruit and water, product of Israel. Very cool. Conscious carob syrup. Open this little box next. This is a little Star of David ornament. It says Bethlehem on it and has the nativity scene also in there. Now this one is definitely light enough where you could hang it on a tree or somewhere else. I do like this one as well. Luxury Winter Body Butter. My daughter might have stuck her finger in this already. So this is a fantastic blend made from the finest oils and butters nature has to keep your skin soft and smooth all day long. Has a little protective thing on it. See, she put her finger in it. But it smells so good. I just had to smell it one more time. But it is beautiful. It's a good amount, I think. And what's in there? And then there is one last thing in this box. This is the premium product. So if you order the premium box, this is what you get. This is A runner, heat insulated and easy to clean. Let me open it up. Okay. I think my husband was most excited about this thing. Let's see. You know what? I might need scissors. They have it taped very nicely. Okay. It is, oh wow, it is beautiful. It has some Hebrew in the middle. It's very long. I'd say it's 3.5 feet maybe? I don't know. It might say in the packaging. Let's see. It does not say. But it is absolutely beautiful. I wish I knew what it said in Hebrew. Oh, it says right here. Blessed are you, our God, who feeds the entire world through your goodness with kindness and graciousness. I'm assuming that's what it says on here. But it is really pretty. So that is it, guys. That is what comes in the Christmas Miracles box. Let me kind of lay it all out for you so you can see. So you have your runner, you have your carob, you have your candle with topographical candle. You have your tea, if I can get that in there. Then you have the body butter this month. You have your toffee. Don't forget about the toffee. The lavender toffee. The Star of David ornament. You also have this larger ornament. And then you have all that fun information and recipes and everything. So that is what comes in your box. You still have 5 days to order your box. Make sure that it's in time for Christmas. Make sure you give this to someone you love at Christmas this year. I just thought it was so fun last year to give away, and is just a really fun gift for a family that you may not know what to buy them. I will post my affiliate link for Artza Box down below in case you want to pick one up this year. And I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.